Hi guys, my name is Sanmati. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Growfitter. We also came on season 1 of Shark Tank, also got funded by Aman Gupta, and today I'm super excited. मैं अपनी journey share करने जा रहा हूँ, वो भी with the amazing JIS students. And not only that, the students are also going to earn a lot of rewards from Growfitter. So I'm going next, and you never know, शायद ये iPhone भी जीत जाए. So let's see who wins.
तो गाइज वो इंटरव्यू होता रहेगा बट आई वांट यू गाइज टू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी एंड लॉट ऑफ रिवॉर्ड्स सो आई हैव गॉट दिस एंटायर बैग सो आई जस्ट वांट यू गाइज टू डाउनलोड द ऐप आपने शार्क टैंक पे देखा होगा हमने एक्चुअली एक माउंटेन बाइक गिफ्ट की थी शार्क को सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव अ लॉट ऑफ रिवॉर्ड्स इन बिटवीन वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ स्मॉल सेशन और उसमें जो भी जीतेगा ही इज गोइंग टू गेट दिस बोट अमेजिंग रॉकर्स 450 अ स्मार्ट वॉच एंड देयर आर सो मेनी रिवॉर्ड्स और अगर आप ग्रोफिटर ऐप डाउनलोड करते हैं तो आपको आईफोन भी मिलता है सो गाइज डाउनलोड द ऐप एंड देन वील कंटिन्यू
Very
Guys, I'm sorry. I've got nothing to tell you all to download because मैं सीधा upload कराती हूँ. Okay?
so we have both the services you know when you are alive you have to be fit and then your soul also has to depart in a good way
so the first question of this adda to both of you, sir and ma'am, is basically the theme of the session today. Entrepreneurs born or made. What do you think? I would like to ask.
So entrepreneurs are never born. I think it's the circumstances. If you see any big story of any entrepreneur, most of the entrepreneurs actually just saw a problem and they actually wanted to find out a solution. तो मुझे वही लगता है कि you have to be passionate about solving a real problem, understanding how you can solve that problem, bring a solution. और उसी से you start small. जितने भी बड़े businesses you've seen, they've all started from a garage. Even we started from a 200 square feet office. So यही है कि you should have the right passion and you should understand what the customer wants and then you work in that direction. Certainly there are few skill sets. We always say कि ये Marwadi, Gujarati, it's in their blood. But so certainly there are few aspects if you are coming from a business family, it helps you. But I don't think that's the only requirement. So I think anyone who has the right passion, and certainly you have to embrace a lot of failures.
Ma'am.
The way I look at it is that let's say if you have something known as the entrepreneurial DNA, right? The DNA strand can have two attributes. One is, let's say, the dominant ones and the submissive ones. So according to me, the dominant ones are three major ones. One is, like, first and foremost is the ability to take risk. Second is the courage to get up when you fall down, right? And the third is the ability to develop very thick skin. So these are the three things which definitely something which you're not born with. These are something which you have to gather on the journey, right? So these are like really, really innate traits. But other than that, people who are born into, like, as you said, Marwadi families and Gujarati families, they are literally talking profits and losses across the dining table. So the environment, the role models, they definitely make a part of your journey. But I think at the end of the day, it's more of your journey and what you're enduring and what you're learning all the way rather than it being injected into your system.
Thank you, ma'am. So the inputs we got were passion, then risk-taking ability to rise back after one has fallen, and again, being tolerant, developing a thick skin. Now over to you, Diyashati.
Also, I would like to say that what ma'am said, I'm sure it gave a lot of inspiration and assurance to people who are not from business families, because we know that entrepreneurs can be made. You don't have to be born into a certain situation. So my next question is to both of you. I'm sure you get asked a lot. So how is life after Shark Tank?
It's quite entertaining. Before nobody knew, what Growfitter app was. And जिस दिन the show went live, and I think a lot of businesses, there is a huge demand. In fact, we had to keep double servers, and we got almost like 2 lakh downloads on that same day. So it's a fantastic experience. And the best part is, when we had actually gone for the audition, and there was the team of Sony Entertainment, and I still remember उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही थी कि आप शार्क टैंक में पैसे के लिए मत जाओ, जो मार्केटिंग आपकी होने वाली है, क्योंकि that show was getting aired instead of KBC. So कौन बनेगा करोड़पति used to air at 9 p.m. and on that same time Shark Tank, and I had actually come on season 1. मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था कि who are the sharks. In fact, if you see in the episode, I actually misspelled Aman for Anupam. So at that time we didn't know how it's going to shape up, and we had just gone in the tank. And I think what he said was कि यार 1 minute का ad spend for 9 p.m. prime time is almost 1 crore. तो अगर आपको 12-14 minute मिल रहा है, you're actually getting 14 crores of marketing. So I think that's the best marketing platform for anyone. And I think today, जैसे even in the last we saw कि घर में बात कर रहे हैं. मेरी मम्मी ने भी मुझे बोला था कि मैं 25 लाख लगाऊं क्या तेरे business में. And 2 दिन तक phone was just all my friends from Spain, Canada is like यार मुझे पता था तू कुछ ना कुछ तो कर लेगा. And before that, when I had started, I'm a chartered accountant. And जब मैंने start किया था तो everybody was like यार तू CA बेच के gym membership बेचेगा, you are into fitness. And my mom used to tell me मैं मेरे दोस्तों को क्या बोलूँगी, तेरी शादी कैसे होगी. So I think that's the beauty of Shark Tank. वो आपको hero बना देता है. And certainly it helps you for your brand, because as I said कि इतनी बड़ी marketing you get on, and we got almost 5 million views on YouTube. And my I had done a very controversial dialogue, IIT IIM बहुत हो गया, अब CA की बारी है. तो मुझे याद है कि
Can we have a round of applause for that, please?
तो मुझे याद है LinkedIn पे, and that season only Piyush had said कि CA से दूर रहना, और 2 दिन बाद ही our episode had aired, and I got 5,000 LinkedIn requests of chartered accountants. So it's a great feeling. Anybody can do it, not just the so-called big institutes. जिसके पास भी, in fact, हमने अभी देखा है कि जितने बड़े entrepreneurs, even Oyo for that matter, he's a school dropout. Most of the big guys are school dropout. So that's the beauty of entrepreneurship.
So I think from my end, Shark Tank has given a tremendous validation for the services that I am in. Because firstly, it gave recognition, and like Sanmati has told, that it was an amazing marketing platform for us. And believe me guys, the amount of rejection that you faced by the sharks, that was what I was talking about, developing thick skin. I'm sure अगर आपने मेरा episode देखा होगा तो I mean the kind of dialogues that Ashneer Grover has showered, कौन नहीं भूलता है. But I'm so glad for that, because अगर आपने उसका follow-up episode देखा तो Ashneer Grover can be seen, using my story and my episode wherever he goes. I still remember a couple of moments from his like his later on episodes where he was talking कि यार वो बंदी देखा, अभी भी मैं पीछे मुड़ता हूँ तो मेरे को डर लगता है. मुझे I have that feeling that whenever I am going to my airport, I hope she doesn't come. So but it's more on. Of course, criticism is a part and parcel of life. The way you take it, the way you construct it positively, that's what is, again makes an entrepreneur the entrepreneur that he or she is. So yes, probably the sharks didn't invest, but then I think I got my whale, who's sitting right across in the first table.
And just to add on, the process is very grilling. मतलब आपको लगता है कि ये सिर्फ Shark Tank पे 10 मिनट का इन्होंने बात की और इनको चेक मिल गया. But technically जब हमने we were in season 1, and हमारे वक्त there were almost 60,000 applications, 60,000 startups had applied, even though it was season 1. Of that only 200. तो there is in fact 4 घंटे का एक फॉर्म रहता है, वो आपको फॉर्म पूरा फिलअप करना रहता है. तो मुझे अभी भी याद है, मैं रात के 12 बजे से सुबह के 4 बजे तक बैठा था. उसके बाद वापस से once you clear that, एक और 4 घंटे का फॉर्म आता है, that is round 2. After that, you have to actually go for audition. तो वो एक होटल में आपको बुलाते हैं, and you actually have to then give an audition. वहाँ पे ये सोनी की team बैठती है and they basically take the audition, and out of that if you get selected then they call you to Film City. So the famous Film City, वहाँ पे कपिल शर्मा का शो भी चलता है, you know KBC भी चल रहा था मेरे वक्त, वो डांस इन का कोई तो शो चल रहा था, तो वहाँ पे 3 दिन you know they call you and then you have to actually go and pitch. और उसमें भी out of 300 startups that pitch, you know only 90 come on TV. So it's technically अगर आप देखो तो success ratio is just 1%. So kudos to all the guys who have made it on Shark Tank. I think you know it's a very tough journey.
That was some great behind the scenes of Shark Tank that we got here today.
And that no matter where we are right now, we can make it big again.
Yeah,
And
नहीं,
then-
but just because you have an idea, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं Shark Tank पे चले जाऊंगा. अब प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया है कि you know we have become so accustomed. अरे यार मेरे पास आइडिया है, मैं खड़े होके पिच करूंगा, लेकिन मुझे अभी भी याद है कि मैं वो Shark Tank US देखता था. And I used to actually you know stand in the front of the mirror and I used to pitch, और जब भी कोई आके you know goof up करता था, मैं बोलता था यार मैं होता तो ऐसे बात करता, मैं होता. बट जब मैं एक्चुअली Shark Tank में गया तब मुझे समझा कि you know एक तो पूरा अंधेरा रहता है सामने, आपको कोई जज दिखता नहीं है, मुझे तो कोई नहीं दिख रहा था, बिकॉज देयर सो मच लाइट्स. वो यू नो टीवी पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बट यू कैन एक्चुअली नॉट सी एनीवन, सो यू आर एक्चुअली पिचिंग इन द डार्क एंड देन यू नो देयर आर इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस और यू नो 5 शार्क्स बैठे आपकी, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज सबको लगता है कि क्या ये शार्क टैंक स्क्रिप्टेड है या यू नो पहले से ही आप किसी को जानते हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. यू नो सब किसी शार्क को पता नहीं रहता है कौन पिच करने वाला है कौन है. 3 मिनट का जो स्टार्टिंग का एक मोनोलॉग होता है वही आपको पिच करना है, उसके बाद एवरीथिंग यू नो इज रियल, मतलब और वहाँ पे कोई टेक नहीं होता है. तो अगर आपने वहाँ पे गुफ अप किया तो आपने अभी टीवी पे देखा होगा, कोई भूल जाता है या कोई याद नहीं करता है. सो देर आर नो रीटेक्स, देर इज यू नो कोई सेटिंग नहीं है. मतलब सीजन 2 में मुझे 2-4 लोगों ने फ़ोन किया था, यू नो आई एम रेडी टू पे 35 lakhs, आई एम रेडी टू पे 50 lakhs, मुझे टीवी पे लेके आओ. सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. आई थिंक इट्स कम्प्लीटली ऑन मेरिट. तो आपको बहुत ही पैशनेट होना पड़ेगा, और जैसे कोई एक एग्ज़ाम होती है वैसे ही यू नो ये एक रियलिटी शो है जिसमें बहुत कम लोग सिलेक्ट होते हैं. तो यू एक्चुअली हैव टू यू नो शो दैट एफर्ट. आपको धंधे में जान लगानी पड़ेगी, एक आइडिया से कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
A lot of things which happen behind the screens that we had not a very detailed idea of, that we got to know right now. Now, some of the questions we'll be asking, which are very common, but again, we wanted to ask, that is, when you're doing a 9 to 5 job, you've got a 40-hour work week and all of that. But when you are an entrepreneur, it's a lot of stress, it's a lot of hours of work put in. So how do you deal with the stress and burnout as an entrepreneur, ma'am?
See, I think firstly, when you know that it is, I mean, you know, it's your product, so definitely, you know, you don't really think about कि यार मैं किसी और के लिए काम कर रही हूँ. It's like I am working for my vision. I'm working for something that I want to, you know, people to get motivated to get inspired from, and yeah, of course, I work out.
No, I think it's a very good question. You know, I'll tell you honestly, startup is like Bollywood. तो मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ, मैं बॉम्बे में रहता हूँ. आई स्टे वेरी क्लोज टू अंधेरी वेस्ट. रोज़ बॉम्बे में 10,000 लोग हीरो बनने आते हैं, लेकिन बनता एक ही रणवीर सिंह है. तो ये सेम स्टोरी स्टार्टअप की है. यू नो आइडिया 80,000 आते हैं साल में, लेकिन कंपनी एक ही बड़ी बनती है. तो अगर सबको लग रहा है कि बॉस यू नो मेरे पास एक आइडिया और मैं इन्वेस्टर को बोलूँगा पहले 10 करोड़ रुपया दे फिर ही मैं धंधा चालू करूँगा, तो ऐसा होने नहीं वाला है. यू नो जैसे बॉलीवुड में बोलते हैं, यू नो इट्स अ वेरी ग्लैमरस वर्ल्ड. यू नो नाउ वी आर सीइंग कि स्टार्टअप्स को इतनी फंडिंग मिल रही है, यू नो किसी को 100 करोड़ मिल रहा है, लेकिन यू नो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी डार्क. क्योंकि जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो, हमने जब स्टार्ट किया था तो हमने एक 300 स्क्वायर फीट के ऑफिस में स्टार्ट किया था. मुझे आज भी याद है 2 साल तक, मतलब मैं उस योगा मैट पे सोता था और टेबल के इस साइड पे मेरा जो एवरीबडी नोज वी वर द मामा भांजा जोड़ी. सो यू नो माई नेफ्यू, आई मीन ही इज माई को फाउंडर नाउ. तो मैंने उसको फ़ोन किया था, ही वॉज जस्ट पास आउट ऑफ कॉलेज, जैसे यू नो ऑल दीज यंग स्टूडेंट्स आर. और वो बोला मामा क्या करना है, जॉब करूँ? मैंने नहीं, तू आ जा बॉम्बे. सो देन यू हैव टू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट द जर्नी. तो ये बहुत ही टफ जर्नी होने वाली है. और वर्स्ट पार्ट क्या है ना कि हम अपने आप को इतना, मतलब हमारी मम्मी बोलेगी उसको देख PwC में जॉब लग गई, इसको मैकेंजी में जॉब लग गई, ये US जा रहा है MBA करने को, इसको गूगल में जॉब लग गई. तो मेरे जितने दोस्त थे वो सब बहुत ही अच्छा कर रहे थे और इधर मैं था, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि इज माई बिजनेस गोइंग टू ग्रो और नॉट. तो आपको कंप्लीटली अपने पे इतना भरोसा रखना पड़ेगा कि बॉस मैं तो फोड़ने वाला हूँ. एंड लोग आके बोलेंगे, क्योंकि इंग्लिश में देयर इज अ वेरी गुड सेइंग, सक्सेस हैज मेनी फादर्स. जब तुम सक्सेसफुल हो जाओगे सब बोलोगे भाई पता था इसने. बट फेलियर इज एन ऑर्फन. तो यू हैव टू रियली बी पैशनेट, क्योंकि नहीं तो क्या होगा मालूम है, आपका 4, 5, 10 दिन, 1 महीने, 6 महीने में अगर आप में वो पैशन नहीं है तो आप बोलेगे यार धंधा नहीं चल रहा है, नहीं मजा आ रहा है, एंड you'll जस्ट रैप इट अप. तो वो एक पैशन चाहिए और एक जुनून चाहिए. और रिस्क है तो इश्क है, तो रिस्क तो लेना ही पड़ेगा.
To add on to Sanmati, I would say that specifically मेरी इंडस्ट्री में मेरे को टैलेंट रिक्रूट करना was very very big challenge. Because people would probably want to join medical industry, people would want to join the glamorous industries, but मेरी इंडस्ट्री में अगर ज्वाइन करना है तो it has to be like pure passion. Because मुझे अभी भी याद है, there was a young guy, I think around early 20s, he joined, within 6 months वो मुझे आके बोलने लगा कि मैम अभी मेरे को सपने में ना बॉडी आता है मैडम, प्लीज़ मुझे अभी निकलना है कंपनी से. सो आई टोल्ड हिम वेरी क्लियरली दैट सी लिसन, यू हैव टू लर्न टू सेपरेट वर्क एंड योर पर्सनल लाइफ. It's going to be a very good learning for you. And then he came back to me and told me that, ma'am, I think I'm going to have a breakup in my relationship because whenever, अभी आजकल डेट पे मेरे को कॉल आता है और मुझे बोलना पड़ता है कि हाँ बॉडी कहाँ पहुँचाना है, So I think it's really, really important that your first set of people have to be passionate about the work that they do as well.
No, same here. हमारे ऑफिस में भी हम सबको पुशअप्स कराते थे और बंदे 2 पुशअप में रुक जाते थे और कोई तो बोलते थे सर 6 पैक्स बनाना पड़ेगा क्या ग्रोफिटर ज्वाइन करना है. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द पार्ट. बट आई वांट टू आस्क एवरीवन, यहाँ पे कौन स्टार्टअप चालू करना चाहता है? कैन एनीबडी रेज देयर हैंड्स कि सबको जॉब करनी है?
Hi,
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
me Raja Paul.
व्हाट इज योर आइडिया?
So
आपने अभी तक कुछ किया है कि सिर्फ इट्स एन आइडिया स्टेज?
it's an idea. I want to go further to it, but I want to think that it will work or not. So I'm evaluating it right now. Going to the people.
What's your idea about? What's your idea about?
It's like a digitalized prescription market.
Fantastic. Guys, first a big round of applause for him. For actually पहले तो सोचना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है और फिर सोच के उसके बारे में तो do you have like a co-founder कि it's only you who's thought about it? What have you done for it?
No, not yet a co-founder, but ये GoDaddy पे मैंने ये लगाया है अपना डोमेन रजिस्टर किया अभी तक.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. तो ये सबसे पहली बात है, जब भी कोई आइडिया है उसका डोमेन नेम खरीद के रख लो. पता नहीं 2 साल बाद, 3 साल बाद, 4 साल बाद, मैं भी जब when I was in college मैंने बहुत सारे GoDaddy के डोमेन नेम खरीद के रख लिए थे, क्योंकि तब ऐसा था कि शायद किसी और को आपका डोमेन नेम चाहिए तो वो आपको ज्यादा पैसे दे दे और आप विदाउट अ बिजनेस आप ज्यादा प्रॉफिट बना लो. यस, गो अहेड.
So it's like everybody is using a like normal prescription paper and paper prescription. So carrying a prescription is very hard right now. So if you go to a doctor, if you go, they will give one prescription to another. So I thought of why not making a digitalized prescription. So you will be giving a unique ID. So you will be going to the doctor, they will be just write the unique ID and they will get all the details. And me from the pharma background knows that medical history is very important to know to treat a person or something, right? So why not to get that? So it's like
Fantastic. So you are an engineer.
no, me from pharma, B Farm.
You are pharma. But then you'll also need somebody from an engineering background.
I
जिसको
have
coding
friends
आती है.
like thought of it.
So have you spoken to any friend कि भाई तू भी join कर ले, तुझे
नहीं,
equity
अभी तो नहीं,
दूंगा?
अभी तो जस्ट 2-3 महीना में ये सेमेस्टर खत्म करके फिर सोचेंगे पूरा.
ठीक है. Guys, a big round of applause for him. At least उसने सोचा somebody else.
Hello. Yes, sir. Hi. Very good afternoon, everyone.
काम दिख नहीं रहा.
This side, sir. This side. My name is Saurabh Kumar, and I had a vision in terms of the education for our school students. So
Vision
I,
मतलब सपने में आया, कैसा मतलब?
yeah,
उठ के-
as-
okay, okay.
like last time जब मैंने start करने का सोचा था ये, तब हम लोगों ने देखा एक market में loophole है, many of the companies who is actually into the robotics and AI are delivering the DIY components to the school students in name of robotics and AI. So मैं क्या किया, मैंने उसको innovation oriented कर दिया and we focused on the basic electronic components and we made several of the projects for the peoples who actually wants to like do something. And right now I'm engaged with around like 50 schools in this West Bengal region and there are many of the good schools I can say. So वहाँ पे students अभी इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं हम लोग के education support के बाद, they are like actually innovating things, they are solving problems of the society. So I'm into the robotics education, robotics and artificial intelligence education, and I'm helping students to build something great.
Fantastic, guys. A big
Thank
round
you,
of
sir.
applause. So I think this is the mindset. You know, you have to build that mindset, and I think यहाँ पे तो बहुत बड़े-बड़े entrepreneurs बनने वाले हैं. So that's great.
Now, Tiyashadi.
So, sir, like you said, that there are many ideas born every day, thousands of them, but only few take that leap and are successful actually. So, how do we validate these ideas before launching them into the market? How do we test and validate them?
Shruti, you want to take it?
Okay. See, I guess before you start any business, right, there are like a couple of important things that are needed for validation. A, market size. Second thing is your revenue potential. And third, very important one is the go-to market, right? So, I feel that कभी-कभी, you know, खाली जोश या जज्बा ही होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. You need to even know the numbers, you know, what is the market reach, आप कैसे पहुँच पाएंगे उसके लिए. And most of the times you needn't be like 100% right on this. Even if you have like a faint idea or let's slightly more than faint idea, just go ahead and pursue it. होता है ना कि you keep learning on the journey and don't ever think that, oh, my startup has failed, so what next? Because the way how I can visually describe the whole scenario is that कि in your journey, right, you आपके पीठ पे बहुत सारे छुरियाँ आते रहेंगे. But then the stronger you grow is that you just take it out and throw down. And then the scars, right? The scars that you leave behind, it's going to make you stronger and stronger and more intelligent with every startup idea that you take. So there's no like, one-line answer for this, but then as you are going and growing in your journey, you'll get to know that, okay, fine, I think शायद इसका market validation गलत था. Oh, I think शायद इसके लिए मेरा marketing strategy गलत थी. या नहीं तो, okay, for that startup, probably I wasn't able to segment my markets right. You will just keep learning along the way.
Thank you, ma'am. And ma'am, also there's this idea that yes.
I would
yes,
just
sir.
want to take 2 minutes. So there is अभी के ज़माने में. So when we started, no one was there to mentor us to understand क्या चालू करना है. So we just worked on some idea. हमने कभी market size देखा नहीं. So for me it was कि यार लोग gym जाते हैं, लोग पैसे भरते हैं और they are not regular. So how do we actually motivate them? तो इंडिया में ऐसा है कि आप किसी को कुछ free दो तो लोग भाग के आएंगे. So that was the idea. But I think today, there is an excellent hack. पहले तो, जो भी आपका कोई जो दोस्त अच्छा कोडिंग करता है, अगर लड़की है तो गर्लफ्रेंड बना लो उसको या, if you have any friends or families whom you can trust, you need a co-founder who's very solid in tech. Because you can actually, be, a strategist, आप sales के बंदे हो सकते हो. And second, I would request everyone, in fact, if I were to start a startup today again, I would read, all these digital, websites जहाँ पे भी startup funding हो रही है, and to understand कि boss कौन सा sector है. Like for example, today, if I were to start, electric vehicle, EV is big. अभी आप EV में कुछ भी करोगे, तो it is very likely कि आपको funding मिलेगी, क्योंकि जो investors रहते हैं, वो एक, theme को consider करते हैं. So, before there was e-commerce, then there came fintech, now you have AI. So I think you have to understand what is working, in that market and then launch rather than thinking of very, unique idea and, trying to, swim against the tide. तो जो भी trend हो रहा है बस, go on the internet, देखो कौन से startups को बड़ी funding मिल रही है, बस उसी को copy करो. अगर, Chinese क्या करते हैं, आप उसको एक LV की बैग तो उसका photo exact, तो आप देखो कि आप उसको कैसे एक replicate कर सकते हो, उसमें अपना ideation कैसे ला सकते हो. That's the hack where you can actually become, successful in a very short time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Because all of us, before starting out, we want to know कि काम करने वाला है कि नहीं. वही जो डर होता है. Now, for all the young entrepreneurs who are starting out, we've got many services, many AI tools, this and that available who have lesser amount of infrastructure. So what are the services they should outsource? Or the question would be, should they outsource the services? That would be a question.
So again, as I told you, ki, IT is something which I would say that you should have it in-house. Because if you outsource it and, if by God's grace आपका business बहुत grow करता है, he'll hold you for ransom. वो आपको blackmail करेगा कि भाई मैं button दबा रहा हूँ. So, I and my, co-founder, जब भी हमारे में झगड़ा होता है, and, if he gets angry, वो बोलता है मैं button दबा रहा हूँ, मैं, app delete कर रहा हूँ. So you should not give you should not give it completely outsourced. Because he can hold you for ransom because he has your entire data, he has your entire, app's ability. So I think more of the IT should be in-house. बाकी चीज़ें तो आजकल इतने सारे, tools है. अभी content writing की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have so many chat GPTs and other AI tools. Video editing की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. I think you go on YouTube, you can learn a lot of things. And with a small team of 4 or 5 people, you can actually create, very good businesses. So you don't really require these days a very big team. There are so many tools available. You go on YouTube and I think you can get, a lot of answers to it.
Yeah, I think my answer to this will be, a very popular answer that we listen in B schools, which is it depends. So when I mean it depends, right, there is something known as core competency. आपके कंपनी का जो core competency है and everything related to that core competency, I would suggest keep it in-house. बाकी का जो ancillary functions होता है, like let's say marketing or sometimes to some extent finance, legal, audit, these can be outsourced. But again, like probably if you are developing a fintech product, then I would suggest that you have a very, the finance should be in-house, maybe in the board of directors itself. So the answer is really, really depends. इसका एक the simplest shortcut to this is finding out your core competence. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा core competence in-house रखिए बस.
So figuring out the strengths and what works or not, and also it depends on the business to my what the venture is based on. So now, Tiyashari.
Ma'am, you talked about what we see in B schools. So ma'am, my question is to you specifically. You are an alumnus of the prestigious IIM Bangalore. How has that helped you in your startup journey?
See, I think the best thing that any pedigree business school gives you is firstly access to world-class professors, and secondly, it's the alumni network, right? It's the peer learning and the experiences that you go through. When people say that you literally go through the grind, because constantly you are validated and you are put against, let's say, 80 other people who had different journeys in their lives. So you होता है ना कि लोहा को आप मार के ही you can make it even more stronger. So my experience in a B school has been something like that. Yeah, and yeah, see, as an entrepreneur, you're supposed to be like master of one and like jack of all trades. So when you are introduced to marketing or when you're introduced to, let's say, finance and accounting, at least I know that once we grow big, whomever we are going to recruit under the finance consultant, वो मुझे चूना नहीं लगाएगा. Similarly, marketing also, because like you're introduced to all these subjects at a very macro level. So at some way or the other, it's like really useful.
Thank you, ma'am. And also, you use a quote that I really like. You said, "Manzil milti hai bhatak ke hi sahi, gumrah to wo hai so ghar se nikle hi nahi." So, ma'am, I want to know that because your AntiHT has a very different and unique business model. So people often want to start things, and but they don't know where to get the idea from, where to get the inspiration from. So how do we find that next big idea that can possibly change your life?
See, I can't really comment on ideas that can change your lives, but I feel that there are so many ideas that are lurking around the corner. Right? अगर आप मतलब ध्यान से देखोगे, just here also, like you've seen the flowers across over here. Now what's going to happen to these flowers once the event is over? So has anybody thought of a startup, wherein you can recycle this? I'm sure that there are startups already that's doing it, and maybe these billboards and all that. So recycling, or using materials which can be used over and over again. So it's firstly, it's about like, rather than just picking an idea around you, also see where your passion lies, see where your domain expertise lies. Or even if you don't have the domain expertise, like I said, first thing, I think passion बहुत ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, because that's when you start culling out people also in your network कि यार तू आजा मेरे साथ काम करने के लिए.
So, there are many young entrepreneurs out there who are starting out, who have got some off the beat and hatke ideas. So, what do you have to say to them? Means they might feel that, should I do this? Kaam karega ki nahi? So, what do you have to say to them?
Okay, see, like I have just mentioned, idea चाहे हटके हो या mainstream हो, first of all, like get a couple of things validated, like I just mentioned revenue potential, market size, and the go-to marketing. And even if it's like not really 100% there, with a little bit of validation as well, just get into the market, because like you'll really find people along the way. Again, talking about Anteshti's journey itself, I was a person who would like just do hardcore coding behind the computers before I started off something like Anteshti. मतलब ना मुझे business का B जानती थी या फिर bottom lines, top lines, I did not know anything about it at all. But my first step was I got into an entrepreneur network, and then just through efficient networking and talking to people, I got across many ideas and validation. And like, like people say that this is indeed a very lonely journey. And they also say that entrepreneurship is something like आप ऊपर से कूद जाते हो, कूद के then you start making the parachute. So my only thing is that irrespective of the size or height of the building, वो चाहे मतलब 70 feet की building हो या फिर बीर building हो, पर आप लोगों को कूदना तो पड़ता है. Because just like swimming and parenting, आप चाहे जितना भी books पढ़ लो, आप चाहे जितना भी लोगों की stories पढ़ो, you can never become an entrepreneur just by reading it. आपको मतलब तैरना पड़ता ही है. So it's like you need to play the role of an entrepreneur. You need to experience that day in and day out. आपका किरदार कोई भी नहीं खेल सकता है but for you. So the earlier you start, the earlier you fail, the much better it's for you.
Sir, my question is to you now. Your app is about fitness. So, sir, what do you have to say or inspire the audience here to be fit? What do you say about that?
Yeah, so for that, we are going to take a small quiz. So everybody has downloaded the app. सबने app download किया, हाथ ऊपर करो. भाई कर लो यार, iPhone मिलने वाला है. So abhi we are just going to, so everybody please open the app. I think if you have signed in, everybody can open the app.
This is going to be exciting, I think.
Yes. सबने ऐप डाउनलोड किया, साइन अप कर लो जल्दी से यार, हमारे पास ज्यादा टाइम है नहीं. So whoever has done, you can actually just open the app and go in activity section. Can everybody see? It's in right in the middle. There is an activity section. And in that activity section, there is a last section called health quiz. So the challenge is very simple. आपको ये health quiz लेना है और minimum 7 on 10 लाना है. जो भी ये highest लाएगा, उसको बहुत सारे rewards मिलने वाले. तो I'm going to give you 60 seconds. It's just going to take 60 seconds, guys. So your time starts now. You can download the app and take the activity. And whoever gets a 7 on 10 can raise the hand and come on stage. So your time starts now. किसी को आया 7 on 10? Please come on stage. Whoever has got 7 on 10, please come on stage. Guys, a big round of applause. बाकी भी खेलते रहो. You never know. आ जाओ. जिसको 7 on 10 आया है, please come on stage. My God, इतने सारे लोग आ गए. इतने प्राइड्स तो नहीं लाया मैं. Oh my God. आ जाओ. तो अभी एक ये ट्राई ब्रेकर है, सबको 7 on 10 आया है. अब इसमें से बॉस जो भी सबसे हाईएस्ट पुशअप्स मारेगा, ही इज गोइंग टू बी द विनर. तो चलो बॉस, व्हाट्स योर नेम? एक मिनट. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
आर्यन. सप्तो. तुषार.
शुद्धम.
शाश्वत. डॉक्टर भास्कर चौधरी.
बॉस डॉक्टर भास्कर सर भी है. प्लीज सर, आप ही जीतने वाले हो.
सन्मति, मैं भी करना चाहती हूँ पुशअप्स.
ओह माय गॉड, मुझे भी लगता है निकालना पड़ेगा मेरा जैकेट.
And I think we need more female participants as well who want to come and do push-ups.
Yeah, please, we need some female participants also.
See, first step is to come out of your comfort zone if you want to become an entrepreneur. Who is ready to come out of the comfort zone? आ जाओ. Good. Some more. किस में है इतना दम to come?
भाई किसके पास है सिक्स पैक ऐप वो भी आ सकता है. Oh my God, Shruti, you'll do push up in sari? This is going to be Guinness Book of Record now. What's your name?
Nazia Begum.
Nazia Begum. Guys, a big round of applause. बॉस स्टेज पे आने के लिए ना you need a lot of courage. तो चलो guys, मैं मेरा टाइमर चालू कर रहा हूँ. अभी श्रुति, who do you think Shruti is going to win? Guys, सबको बोलना पड़ेगा नहीं तो रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलेगा. Okay guys, you can bet on whichever of your friends are. So I'm going to start my timer. ठीक है यार, प्लीज. अच्छा मैं सिर्फ एक बता देता हूँ कैसे करते हैं पुशअप, नहीं तो सब क्या ना आधा आधा पुशअप करते हैं. बता दूं कैसे करते हैं कि आपको पता है? ठीक है पकड़ो यार. तो बॉस ओ तो ये एक हैंड डिस्टेंस ऐसे करके ये ऐसे करना है. यू हैव टू गो कंप्लीटली डाउन. ये ऐसे 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 नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है. ओके गाइस, 1 minute. 1 minute and your time starts now. चलो स्टार्ट हो जाओ. Oh my God, this is going to be fun. Guys, big round of applause. cheer देना पड़ेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4. My God, guys, a big round of applause for Shruti. साड़ी में किसी को वर्कआउट करते देखा है? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. अरे भाई ये क्या खा के आया तू आज? 12, 13, 14, 15. अरे गया. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Come on Shruti. We are. अरे ये तो एकदम 22, 23. मुझे तो लग रहा है श्रुति जीतने. अरे भाई करते रहो. नाजिया कम ऑन. 26, 27, 28, 29. अरे कौन बचा है? 30. भाई ये जीत गया है. भाई हो गया तेरा हो गया. What's your name? शाहिद. तूने 7 on 10 लाया था क्विज में? नहीं लाया था. हाँ ठीक है, ये कोलैबोरेट करा. आजा. So guys, he gets this reward. Second कौन था? Second Nazia, please. Nazia was great. A big round of applause for Nazia. Nazia gets a smartwatch. Big round of applause. And for all the participants, उनके लिए भी कुछ रिवॉर्ड है. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ बॉस, ग्रोफिट ऐप डाउनलोड करो. बहुत सारे रिवॉर्ड्स मिलते हैं. Yeah. And this is for Shruti. Shruti, big round of applause, guys. साड़ी में किसी को वर्कआउट करते देखा है क्या? And these are all for participants. अभी अगली बार मैं आईफोन लेके आऊंगा. मुझे नहीं मालूम था इतने लोग आने वाले. You can distribute. हमने एक्चुअली शार्क टैंक पे माउंटेन बाइक दी थी अनुपम को. एंड अनुपम एक्चुअली लेके गए थे. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. This was my session. So these are the benefits of being healthy. आपकी health भी बनती है, wealth भी बनती है. And that's what our story was. कि हम कैसे लोगों को healthy बनाएं, हम कैसे लोगों को fit करें. क्योंकि लोगों को है ना अब health का knowledge ही नहीं है. तो हमने ऐसे बोला क्यों ना हम उनको rewards दें. And then they get a habit. और अब बहुत सारे लोग जो डेली वॉकिंग करते हैं, बहुत छोटे छोटे गाँव में भी है, शहरों में भी है. हमारे पास इतने लोग अभी वॉकिंग करने लग गए बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऐप. और इतने लोगों की हेल्थ सुधरी है. एक बंदे थे, ही वॉज ओवरवेट, उनको डायबिटीज़ था. उन्होंने 6 किलो अभी वजन कम किया, उनका डायबिटीज़ कंट्रोल में आया. देखो अंग्रेजी में कहावत है, वेल्थ इज लॉस्ट, समथिंग इज लॉस्ट. हेल्थ इज लॉस्ट, एवरीथिंग इज लॉस्ट. तो ये अभी तो यू गाइज आर यंग, बट जैसे जैसे हम एज होते जाएंगे, I think we'll realize that. So big round of applause. Thank you for being here.
Aman Gupta is an investor in your company. My question would be, how is it to work with a shark, to work with an investor like Aman Gupta?
Aman Gupta is fantastic. In fact, I keep on meeting him regularly. We actually just made a very good video. You can go on our Instagram page. It has gone viral, where we actually gave 1,000 free Boat smartwatch, which was exclusively signed by Aman Gupta. He's a fantastic guy to work with and very humble and very approachable. You can walk into his office and, before they had an office in Delhi, now they've shifted to Gurgaon. So we got an excellent, mentor. And we have now also done a partnership with Boat. So Boat के साथ अब आप जब भी स्मार्ट वॉच यूज़ करते हो आपको बहुत सारे रिवॉर्ड्स मिलते हैं तो इट्स बीन अ फैंटास्टिक जर्नी.
Sir and ma'am, today's event was courtesy of Ideometer, which is the brainchild of our director Jaspreet Kaur ma'am. So I would like to know your opinion on this whole thing, on Ideometer and how it can impact the lives of students and budding entrepreneurs.
So firstly, I want to thank Jaspreet, for inviting us. She also has an entrepreneurial mindset, and you've got a fantastic mentor, in GIS. So I think you guys should hustle, leke aao crazy ideas, pitch karo, and I think getting, Ideathon in the college. हमारे वक्त कॉलेज में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. हमारे वक्त था भाई CA करो, engineering करो, और take up a job. So I think these days, like even last week I had been to Symbiosis. Now in that college, you can, after your MBA, you can actually do your startup. And even if your startup doesn't work, you can come back and do your, placement. So there are a lot of colleges which are now promoting, and I think what GIS is doing is purely commendable. So a big round of applause for Ideathon and Jaspreet ma'am. I think she's doing a fantastic job. And that's about it.
You guys are really lucky in terms of the ecosystem and the infrastructure and mentors that you're getting. Plus देखिए opportunities क्या पता बार आएंगे कि नहीं. The early you start, that's what I keep repeating everywhere. The early you start. See, a corporate job will always be there. अगर आप में talent है तो there are many people who will be recruiting you. But the journey of an entrepreneur, this is something आप जितना जल्दी start कर सके इतना जल्दी बहुत बेहतर है.